How to check email logs, unsubscribes, and bounce lists. All right. So, if ever there was a problem with an email, there's a few different places that you can check to see what happened. So, um, we have the report section here. So if you go to reports, you can check your mail queue right here. You can check file related emails and marketing related emails. So you can come in here. If you click on mail queue file related, this is going to show you any sent emails that were specific to a loan file, right? You can come in here and it'll show you, okay, all these emails were sent. They all show sent, which is great. There's nothing that was bounced. I don't have any problems here. And I can even check the email right here. I can click on that button and I can look through this to show me what was sent. And it shows all the information here, right? Borrower, sent time, who sent it, who was the receiver, and the subject line. Then you can also check any marketing related emails. So if you're using the bulk email tool, you want to come in here and check on those emails, you can do so right here as well. And then if you have any unsubscribes, right? You want to check your unsubscribes, you can come over to the unsubscribe section and you can filter out. You probably want to filter out the date first. So you can go to search right here. And right here it's only showing 1 day, right? But if I want to check like a whole year, I can I can go back here. Let's say I want to go back to January 2022, January 1st till today. I hit that search. I don't have any here, right? This is my demo system, so you're not going to see anything, but you would see some if there were any unsubscribes there. And then same thing for the bounce, right? So you can come to your bounce list, your bounced emails, and you'll want to make sure the search is far back. Let's see, want to check. Let's say I want to check back to 2023, January 1st to today, and then search. And now this is showing me any bounced emails, right? So if there was some sort of bounce because the email address was incorrect, you can come and see that and you could delete that, right? You could delete them from the bounce lists, and then make sure you send the correct email with the correct email address. All right. So that's checking emails here through the report section. And then you can actually just check any emails that are specific to a loan file. You can check those inside the loan file. So if we go to pipeline main, and let's say we want to go back into the Flipper Frank loan file here. And up at the top right, you have your compose email button right here. And right next to that is where you have the scheduled emails and emailed history button. That's where you can check the history of emails for this loan file. So we can come in here and we can see the emailed list down here. This is going to show us all the emails that have been sent and what the status was, right? We have an email that was sent. We had one that was dropped right here. And then if there were any pending emails, any pending automated emails to go out, we would see those up here as well. And if you have pending emails here, and for whatever reason you don't want those to actually get sent anymore, they're going to have a little red X just like this right here. So you could just click on that red X and it will cancel it. Or you can click this red X up at the top. And if you have multiple emails scheduled to go out, you can click on that red X to cancel all of them and just hit yes. And then it'll remove any of those pending emails that you have scheduled to go out for this loan file. All right, so those are loan file specific emails as well. A couple of different ways where you can go and check those. All right.